Hello and welcome to my $10 dash cam review. I saw this dash cam in a discount variety store for $10 and I couldn't pass it up. I'm not expecting miracles, but let's get to it. We'll open this and see how bad it is. The unit itself has an LCD. Nothing special here. It comes with this suction cup camera mount. It certainly looks like it'll do the job. It's got a charging adapter with a standard USB plug. These are the instructions. I won't go into detail because obviously it's a bit rubbish, but it does function. Let's plug it in and give it a test. I'm not impressed with its field of view. It takes a standard micro SD card. We'll have a look at the settings. Note it says 720p. Let's insert a card and test if it will record. This is with the lights off. I'm not really seeing anything. I tested it in car later and it did have some night vision. Okay, we'll open it up and have a look what's inside. That battery doesn't look good, it's bloated. It's like a little splody pillow. It's 150 milliamp hours, 3.7 volts. I'm just going to remove it because obviously it's no good. Okay, we'll open it up a bit further and have a look at the other side of that board. There's the microphone so it can catch you swearing when you crash. I assume this is the motion sensor. I won't bore you with all of the reassembly, but I found a battery out of a toy helicopter. I'm going to put that in and then we'll give it a test. Pro tip, don't use hot melt glue in a dash cam. Ask me how I know. Cars get very hot in summer, it will melt. I ended up sticking it back together with super glue. Okay, here's some dash cam footage. We've got an awful 4:3 aspect ratio. It was bucketing down rain. Probably not the ideal circumstances to test this camera, but accidents do happen in the wet, so if it fails this then it's no good. Here's a bit of built up traffic. We can see the number plates. But honestly, I think the field of view is too narrow. We can't even see the bonnet of the car. The camera shakes a lot and the resolution is too low. Based on the bloated battery alone, I'm going to give it a fail. So do not buy. Put the $10 towards a better dash cam. What are your thoughts, or what would you recommend? Let me know in the comments. If you like this kind of thing, please subscribe. And stay tuned for my $50 dash cam review. Thanks for watching.